Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about the super stamps in the world. Argentina, 1867, year of issue. Rivadavia, unwatermarked, imperforate stamp, 15-cent denomination and color is blue. Oval Buenos Aires cancel squad number 18. Value $2,700. The stamp is beautifully preserved. Guatemala stamp and the year of issue is 1881. The denomination is 2 cent and the color is brown and green. The error is inverted center. There is a bird and this is inverted. There is full original gum behind the stamp and the squad number is 22A. The Great Britain stamp. Queen Victoria stamp issued in 1840. 1 penny, black colored stamp. Plate 1A and letter GL. An attractive and rare unused stamp. SG number is 2 and the value is £18,500. Stamp from Victoria, year 1867. Queen Victoria stamp, 5-shilling denomination and color is blue on yellow paper. Town and bar duplex cancel. The Stanley Gibbon catalogue number is 139 and the value is 450 British pounds. British Commonwealth stamp Montserrat 1903 year of issue King Edward VII 5-shilling black and scarlet color Crown CA watermark is the variety used with face free town cancel. The Stanley Gibbon catalogue number is 23 value is 750 pounds. Stamp from Sierra Leone British Commonwealth stamp 1963 Queen Elizabeth II 11-shilling surcharge on 1 pound black and orange colored stamp. The surcharge is in reddish pink color. The stamp has original gum and is lightly hinged. Well, this is from China. Year of issue is 1950. $20,000 on $10,000 East China stamp. Block of 4 with town and NY transit cancel. The Scott catalog number is 30 and the value in this is $520. Ascension stamp issued in 1924. 2P grey, black and grey color. Torn flag variety. Ascension 28 October 29 CDS with index letter C. The Stanley Gibbon catalog number 13B and price £160. Barbados stamp issued in 1873, 5-shilling, dull rose color with mute butyl cancel, especially scarce in this premium quality. The perforated stamp and the Scott catalog number 43 and price is $375. Barbados stamp issued in 1916 to 18. 1/4 P to 3-shilling seal of the colony complete set. Overall very fine and the Scott catalog number 127 to 39 and the price $339. Well, stamp from Canada year 1908 1 cent tercentenary gem mint single having original gum. Unitrade is a catalog and the price in this is 75 Canadian dollars, while this was sold for $200 in a recent auction. Stamp from Canada year of issue is 1930, 50 cent is the denomination, color is dull blue and this is a Grand Prix issue. The Unitrade catalog price is 600 Canadian dollars, while this was sold for $400 in the auction. This is from Japan. Year of issue is 1874. 20S violet colored stamp with syllabic 5. The variety of tail missing from 10th curl in the left semicircle. JSCA is a catalog, Japanese catalog, and the number is 34. Well, this is from Canada. Year of issue is 1932. 4 cent blue postal note, vertical pair. Imperforate horizontally, mint issue having original gum. The Van Den catalog number FPS6A and price is 500 Canadian dollars. Our next stamp is from Canada. Year of issue is 1908. The denomination is 2 cent, and this is a tercentenary stamp issued in honor of king and queen. The unit rate price is 120 Canadian dollar, while this beautifully preserved stamp was sold for $325. Seychelles stamp 1938 to 41 year of issue, 2 cent to 5R, King George VI definitives, complete set of 24 values. The Scott catalog numbers are 125 to 48 and the price of these are $525 in total. United States stamp 24 cent, carmine color, highly select mint single, grade extremely fine to superb 95. SMQ catalog price is $620. This particular stamp was sold for $750 in the auction because of its high grade. United States stamp 32 cent ferry boat coil imperforate horizontal pair. The Scott catalog number is 2466A and price is $550 in the Scott catalog. This stamp was issued in 1900. Well, this is United States 1932 to 35, 2 cent Red Cross, grade superb 98. Only one grades higher, 98J, and the Scott catalog number is 702, price is $0.2, while it was sold for $260. A classic rarity from United States, year of issue 1932 to 35, 2 cent Yorktown, dark lake and black error of color. The Scott catalog number is 703B and the price is $800 in this catalog. Well, this one is from Ascension, year of issue is 1922, half penny to 3 shilling. Ascension overprints complete select used set. The Scott catalog number 1 to 9 and the price is $620 in the Scott catalog. Well, this one is from Barbados, year of issue is 1912 to 16. 1/4 penny to 3 shilling King George V complete used set with unobtrusive cancels. The Scott catalog numbers are 116 to 26 and the price is $282. Canada stamp 1859, 6 pence, brown violet perforated used stamp with unusually full even perforations, clear of the design. The unit rate price is 9,000 Canadian dollars. This is a beautifully preserved stamp. Germany 1928, 3 fanning to 80 fanning, German presidents, complete for the 13 value as originally issued. The Michel catalog number is 410 to 22 and the value is 1,100 euros. Our next stamp is from Japan. The year of issue is 1874. 30S grey color syllabic 1 on foreign wove paper. Far scarcer stamp than its modest catalog value implies. JSCA catalog number is 35 and the value 70,000 Y. Canal zone 2 cent olive brown pristine mint key postage due. Grade extremely fine 90. Scott number J5 for hinged. Value is $225. Sold for $350 in the auction. A perforated Republic of Panama stamp. This stamp is from Canada and the year of issue is 1929. 20 cent is the denomination. And this is harvesting wheat issue and the unit rate price is 180 Canadian dollars, while this was sold for $220 in the auction. This is a perforated stamp. Switzerland stamp 1855 year, sitting Helvetia. This is called Strubel, 40 RP, yellow-green color, maroon silk threads, Genevieve CDS, Scott number 29, and the price is 140 Swedish francs. Italy stamp 1921, Victor Emmanuel III, 20 cent, brown orange color, lithographed overprint BLP in the blue color. Scott catalog number is B6 and the price is $2,500 in this catalog. This is from Iceland. Year of issue is 1930. Parliament Millennium regular issues 3A to 10K are complete set with town councils. Scotch catalog numbers are 152 to 166 and price is $964. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and keep visiting and watching the videos.